We have multiple ways to create a rectangle. We will discuss about each one in this video. To draw rectangle on the canvas, we need to use drawRect method. To this method, we need to pass instance of a rect class and also paint. If you know the center and also height and width of the rectangle, then you can use rect dot from center. And here we need to pass center, and also we need to pass width, and here we're going to pass width 100 and the height 200. So we are using center same as the center of the canvas. So this is how you can extract it. Let me refresh. If you have values for a circle but you want to create a rectangle using those values, then you can use rect dot from circle. And here you need to pass radius instead of height and width. So we are going to pass radius here 40, and it created a square for us. If you know offset from the top left corner and also height and width of rectangle, then you can use from left top width height. And we are going to pass left 10 and also top 10, and the width we are going to pass is size dot width and comma size dot height. You can give whichever value you want and you can play with it. If you know left, right, top and bottom, then you can use left top, right bottom. This is quite different from the left top width height. Here we are going to pass left 10, and here we are going to pass right 100. So this will subtract the left one from the right one and it will render the difference, right? Same with the top and bottom. So here we are going to pass 10 and here we are going to pass 200. So if I move it 20 pixels, you will see it got shrink. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about custom paint and Flutter Advanced, you can subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.